Are you bending over when it comes to cleaning? Is the rubbing and scrubbing trying to keep your home clean driving you mad? It's backbreaking work. It's time to meet Turbo Scrub from High Street TV, the powerful cordless rechargeable scrubber that literally scrubs for you and lets you clean down low and up high without bending or reaching. The powerful 300 RPM rotating action can make even grungy tiles and grimy grout shine like new again. Baked or burned on, the Turbo Scrub powers through it. Practically any mess on virtually any surface is no match for Turbo Scrub. It's tough enough to clean without scrubbing and won't scratch. It even helps put the shine and luster back into your fixtures and fittings for a sparkling finish. And for that nasty ring around the tub, it's the best. The secret's the powerful long-life rechargeable battery that delivers 300 rotations per minute of cleaning power to the head, letting it do the tough scrubbing so you don't have to, making tough jobs quick and easy. The cordless Turbo Scrub is waterproof and runs up to 45 minutes on a single charge. Use it with the corner brush. Look as it gets right into those hard-to-clean corners. The Turbo Scrub makes some of the toughest jobs a breeze. Watch as it digs the mold and mildew out of the shower track. It even makes cleaning the toilet easy. It's amazing. On textured surfaces like natural stone, the Turbo Scrub cleans into every nook and cranny. Watch in slow motion, and you can see the brush spinning at 300 RPM, so you know it's one tough scrubber. In the kitchen, it easily cleans greasy cooktops, stoves, or metal grates. It cleans virtually everything, and the kitchen sink. The Turbo Scrub can even scrub scuff marks off your skirting boards, scratch-free, and it reaches up high to dust your ceilings and coving. Take it outside and easily clean the grunge and grime off your patio furniture, and clean the mildew and buildup off your fencing and siding, so they look like new. It's perfect for scrubbing grime out of stubborn sliding glass door tracks and tackling road grime from your wheels. So stop that back-breaking scrubbing on your hands and knees. Turbo Scrub. Order yours today.